Meet the RSA 2626TB WAT, the high-speed top and bottom belt-driven semi-automatic case sealer built for today's fast-moving packaging operations. Designed for high productivity, the system's belts move at speeds up to 150 feet per minute, allowing it to process up to 28 cases per minute. And by using water-activated tape, it delivers a secure curbside recyclable seal, replacing plastic tape with sustainability and strength. Its extra-large 2.5-gallon water tank allows you to activate up to 5 machine-length tape rolls without refilling, maximizing uptime. Smart features like pass-through mode, no tape indicator stack light, and optional low tape and low water monitoring make operations simple and efficient. Compact yet powerful, the RSA 2626TB WAT is engineered for speed, optimized for sustainability, and primed to enhance your packaging line's performance.